In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Gmail in Windows 10 in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to turn Gmail into an app-like experience right on your computer, so you can open it faster, keep it separate from your browser tabs, and make your workflow a lot smoother. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to the Gmail sign-in page. Once the page loads, sign in to your Gmail account using your email address and password. If you already have your account saved in Chrome, you may be able to log in even faster. After you're signed in and your Gmail inbox is open, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you'll find a few browser tools and settings. From that menu, move to Cast, Save and Share. This section includes options for saving websites as apps, which is exactly what we need. Next, click Install Page as App. Chrome will now create a dedicated Gmail app shortcut for your Windows 10 computer. A small window will appear asking you to enter a name for the app. You can type something simple like Gmail or choose a custom name if you want to organize it differently. Once the name is set, click Install. Chrome will finish setting everything up, and then Gmail will open as a standalone app on your desktop. And that's it. Gmail is now installed on Windows 10 and ready to use like an app instead of just a browser tab. You can launch it anytime from your desktop or start menu depending on your settings. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.